A couple of my colleagues have touched on the fact that you haven't been served on the bench. At this point, with your nomination, if you're confirmed, my last count, I believe I'm correct, it'd be 5 out of 7 justices who have no experience on the bench, no trial experience on the bench coming into our Supreme Court, and I'm concerned about that. And also, you talked about we have some very qualified people on the lists. Likewise, there are some very qualified, experienced Superior Court judges on the list that you have, as Senator Kissel said, parachuted over. And that concerns me because as we're trying to bring in good Superior Court judges, they should also have aspirations to rise to the Supreme Court or the Appellate Court. And in this case, you're going to be asked to sit in judgment of trial court judges in their cases, having never sat there. How can you talk to me about how you can do that effectively?
The skills that I have developed as a lawyer in terms of developing evidence, assessing evidence, similarly looking at a trial court record. I've done that in different situations, with a prosecutor hat on, with the hat of a in-house attorney. So I've done that. I have had different positions where I've been immersed in state law, and I'm not saying I know every state law, but I know where to start, how to research, and I think that's very important in terms of the kinds of questions that come up to the Supreme Court. So I do feel that my experience has given me the skill set, but again, hearing your concerns and the concerns of your colleagues, I understand, and I'm not suggesting that there aren't others who are qualified.
Thank you for your answers. And again, I mean no disrespect in going down this road.
Understand.
It's just that we have a judicial branch with a lot of employees who see that the meritocracy of doing a good job on the bench and serving is kind of cast aside in this case. But I have no doubt you're a very competent attorney and would make a good Supreme Court justice. So I appreciate your answers, and thank you, Mr. Chair.